Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on Twitter, GoPro X, and CHK on the daily weekly time frame. So Twitter bulls still trying to build a base of support. We have an inside bar on the daily time frame from Friday, a bull break at 1763 and a bear break at 1742. So right now our higher low is at 1735. That's the lowest price we've hit on this pullback. We have the 50-day moving average and the middle Bollinger Band both right there that the bulls are attempting to hold. And if we can break 1784, we will break the lower high pattern on the daily, and the bulls will take back over in the short term. So that's a key level to be watching if we get a bull break of this inside bar on Monday, and that will be a good indication of a entry point, if not already in, on this consolidation, because that stop loss level of 1735 will be very clear. If we do get this bull break, that will show us that the bulls have short-term momentum, and it will be just brief consolidation. And then we can watch the inside bar on the weekly time frame and the 100-week resistance that we'll be keeping an eye on for potential follow-through. So if you're looking for a bullish entry in Twitter, we are using 1735 as that key level right now, and the moving average support does give some indication that the bulls have some fallback, so to speak. And we'll see if we can get a bull break of this inside bar and eventually of the weekly inside bar, which would need an 1809 break this coming week. GoPro on the daily time frame. So we saw the big upper wick of profit taking Thursday, and it did lead to further weakness on Friday as we broke lower lows, and now 1054 is our low. So the bulls are going to be attempting to hold 1054. If not, we're looking at 1050 psychological and 1031. This is not a bullish reversal candlestick from Friday. So still patient and still waiting for the bulls to show us something, as they have not given us a bullish reversal candlestick since this consolidation started. We went from a bearish candlestick, then the bulls showed up out of nowhere, saw a ton of profit taking. So still just patiently waiting for this bullish reversal candlestick. And this is a bearish reversal candlestick on the weekly, rejecting from the 100 week. And if we do break 1054 this coming week, we know further consolidation is coming, and we will look to form a higher low on the weekly time frame somewhere in the upper $9 range. So very patient here on GoPro because the bulls have not shown us anything since we've hit this top. And we'll see if the 1054 support can hold on Monday. X on the daily time frame, big gap down. The bulls did buy some of that gap down. But now we're seeing why there was this bearish reaction on Wednesday and Thursday with the all-out dump on Friday on bearish news. So this is a big setback. You look at the weekly time frame, and we're right back to this 200-week moving average support at 2312. The bulls really need to hold this level, because if it's lost, this higher low pattern on the weekly time frame that has been developing since May will be lost with it. So that's an important level of 2312. The bulls need to see a bullish reversal candlestick from this level tomorrow, ideally, and try and see, or I should say next week, and try and see some follow-through and recovery. There's a gap to fill to the upside now at 2432 to be keeping an eye on, and the high of Friday resistance is 2407. CHK, nice continuation for the bulls, hitting a higher high of 425. The next resistance in terms of price action is all the way up at 444, so the bulls have some nice follow-through. Higher lows on the daily multiple days in a row, and the most recent higher low at 414. So the bulls trying to follow through over that level and see this continuation. As far as the weekly chart is concerned, we do still have to form a higher low. So anytime we see further follow through now from here on out, we just have to be cautious that we know the weekly chart is going to have to see a clear lower high established and then pull back and see a higher low form on consolidation if the bulls want to change this long-term trend. Again, we're not going to change this trend straight from the low when we have to make a move up to 520 to do so. That's still another 22% plus from where we currently stand. So daily chart, full control of the bulls. A break of the higher low pattern will be an initial red flag for potential longer term consolidation. But at this point, the bulls do have strength, and we're looking at 425 and 444 as the next resistance levels. I hope you have a good rest of your Sunday, and we'll check back in tomorrow.